So here we are. This is our second year in the third season of our Summer Waves Elite Pool. As you may or may not know, these things are not very expensive, and this thing is still doing well. I cannot complain whatsoever about this pool. There are a couple minor issues I'm going to show you here in a little bit, but yeah, this pool has been actually a good investment, especially for the price. We've used this for 2 summers, well, going on the 3rd summer, so we've had this up for 2 years, and we haven't had any leaks whatsoever. I haven't had to do any patching, but the filter runs almost constantly, and this thing is still going strong. I've had to replace some filter cartridges, so I think I've only bought 2 filter cartridges since I've owned the pool. There are a couple issues, and let me show you here. The 2 corner pieces here that are on the west side, whether it has any significance or not, but these 2 that are on the west side of the pool, it's just surface rust, and it hasn't affected the integrity of the frame. And this one as well has got some surface rust. But the rest of them are just fine. No rust, maybe a little faded. So there's that. And here's another issue I've noticed that you may not be aware of. But this right here, and I didn't realize this right off the bat, but right here, you can see the material. There's a fiberglass weave that's embedded into the vinyl. So the whole pool is made of this fiberglass reinforced vinyl. That causes a little bit of an issue. I'm going to zoom in here. Hopefully you can see this. I'm going to zoom in really tight here. But you might be able to see some threads sticking out. And any threads sticking out on the edge, those are fiberglass threads. And I've noticed that if you're resting your arms on this edge or scraping up against it, you're going to get these little fiberglass threads in your skin. You do have to watch out for that. And I'm not sure. It's very possible that over time that maybe the vinyl shrinks, and I just got one on my finger. I can feel it. But it's possible that over time the vinyl may shrink a little bit and allow that fiberglass to poke out more than normal. It's very possible you could just put some tape or something on here to cover that up. I actually hadn't thought about that till just now. Something else is we can get critters that live in these pockets. I heard one of my viewers talk about she gets frogs that live in here, and I just put chlorine. Just put little bits of chlorine in here, and this water will travel all the way around the pool. But I make sure that these have got chlorine water in there, and that'll kill anything that's in there, or at least make it not very habitable, so you won't have any problems with frogs or bugs or anything living in there, and then you won't get that buildup of algae. You see some algae in there because I haven't put any chlorine in here yet. So that's how I keep this clean. Something else, you might be able to see a print, like a diamond design, almost like a tile design on the blue part of the pool. On the north side of the pool, the color is completely faded. So I think the sun, since the sun sits farther towards the south in the wintertime, I think this edge of the pool gets more sun, so this side is considerably more faded than the rest of the pool, and I think it's because it gets a lot more sunlight. So I hope again that my pool video is helpful to you, and let me know in the comments what you think or if you have any questions. I will catch you in the next video. Take care.